And do you accept that COVID-19 is infectious?
I think, yes, I do accept that COVID-19 is infectious, that's something of which I feel like, we could say you take judicial notice of. It's an obvious fact, yes.
Do you accept that smoking causes cancer?
I'm not sure exactly where you're going with this, but, the notice that
It's
smoking
just a
causes...
question. The question is what it is. You can answer it if you believe yes or no.
Senator Harris, yes, every package of cigarettes warns that smoking causes cancer.
And do you believe that climate change is happening and is threatening the air we breathe and the water we drink?
Senator, again, I was wondering where you were going with that. You have asked me a series of questions that are completely uncontroversial, like whether COVID-19 is infectious, whether smoking causes cancer, and then trying to analogize that to eliciting an opinion on me that is a very contentious matter, opinion from me that is on a very contentious matter of public debate, and I will not do that. I will not express a view on a matter of public policy, especially one that is politically controversial, because that's inconsistent with the judicial role, as I have explained.
Thank you, Judge Barrett, and you've made your point clear that you believe it's a debatable point. Mr. Chairman, these proceedings, I believe, lack legitimacy in the eyes of the people of our country. Americans are right now suffering from a deadly pandemic, and we are also suffering a historic economic crisis. The Senate should be working day and night to provide economic relief to families and not rushing a Supreme Court confirmation. We are also in the middle of an election. More than 12 million Americans have already voted. The American people want whomever wins this election to fill this seat. My Republican colleagues know that, I believe. This hearing has done nothing to alleviate the concerns raised about why this nominee was chosen and why this is being rushed when the American people deserve to be heard. So again, I would say let us not pretend that we don't know what consequences rushing this confirmation will have for the American people. There are countless issues at stake, and to be candid, people are very, very scared. They are scared that allowing President Trump to jam this confirmation through would roll back rights for generations, scared about what it means to the future of voting rights, about what it means for civil rights, for workers' rights, for consumer rights, for climate change, and the right to a safe and legal abortion, not to mention access to health care regardless of income or pre-existing conditions. They are also deeply concerned about what this means for our nation's continued pursuit of the timeless principle, equal justice under law. And I share those concerns. Sadly, my Senate Republican colleagues are doing, I believe, great harm with this illegitimate process. And if they are successful, it has the potential to do great damage. And I believe that damage is to the people of our country and to the United States Supreme Court. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.